Petroleum jelly, otherwise known as Vaseline, plays a whole lot of roles in the body. It plays a whole lot of roles. In one of my videos, I talked about beauty hacks of Vaseline. You can use it to lift your face, you can use it for skin glowing, you can use it to moisturize your skin, you can use it to hydrate your skin, and you can use it to act as sun protection. You can use it during the day if you don't want to use cream and stay hydrated. Okay, so today a lot has resurfaced on the internet and people are using this on the face to cater for the face with added egg. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. Note, I've always been an advocate of telling people never ever use your body soap on your face. Get a facial soap. So even if you're using this and you're still using a harsh facial soap, you may not get result. Do you understand? So avoid using your body soap on your face. As we have to come to my channel, Vick. You know, Vick channel tells you what works. So I'm just going to give you natural way and how to use this Vaseline and egg to cater for your face in an effective way. Quick one, let's introduce the product I have here. This is Vaseline called Original Healing Jelly. I always recommend this one because it doesn't darken. Instead, it's actually for dry skin and it moisturizes the skin. I recommend it for those of us who have dry skin. Original Healing Jelly. Vaseline is very nice for it. Okay, and the next thing I have egg. Yeah, egg, which we're going to be using for our mixture. That's when we're done with our work we're going to be doing. Okay, please stick to me, watch this video to the end because don't get half-baked information. I beg you, it's better you don't even get at all than getting half-baked. Please watch to the end. And I have rice water. I don't know, I'm trying to wait for it to ferment. You can see inside, that's rice in it. And if you turn it like this now, it becomes rice water. Some people will tell you to get rice powder, but I prefer to use rice water. You can research on the benefits of using rice water on your skin. It helps a lot. It glows your skin, moisturizes your skin, and at the same time it can tone your skin, make you to glow and look young. It also gets rid of wrinkles and brightens up the skin complexion. And also I have my facial soap. Remember I say do not use your body soap on your face. This is Base Made facial soap. Base Made facial soap. I'm dropping the link above. You can click on it if you're looking for facial soap to buy. It's very affordable. I think it's $1.5 or something like that, and it will last you for months, more than 3 months, and your face won't be breaking out. Just look at my face. Just look at how my face is. So it's a no makeup, only my neck. This is my signature lipstick. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Let me mix this for you. Let me show you how to do it. First step, get your facial soap. Okay, you can use any of your facial soap if it's not this needle, but I recommend this one. Now I'm trying to clean my face, and after I am done, the next thing I'm going to do is that I am going to rinse it off. So that's it. Alright, guys. Did you see my face? Then the next thing is I'm going to get my rice water. This is rice water. Rice water brightens your face. It gets rid of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and gives you a baby face. Not just a baby face, a baby skin. You can even use rice water all over your body. So now, when you use it to make your face, do this every morning or night. Just do it once in a day. Okay? That's it. Once in a day. Okay? And I've washed my face with rice water. The next thing I'm going to do is this. I will dab it. I will dab my face. Okay? This is how to use your Bluesil Vaseline. Now we're going to we're going to break this egg. We're going to break this egg. So we're going to break this egg so that just keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to. Now I'm extracting the egg was not the yolk. You see that? I'm extracting the egg was. You see? You see? There's the egg was. Wow. Do you see that? We just extracted the egg was. Okay. We just extracted the egg was. And the next is I'm going to mix a quantity of this Bluesil Vaseline in it. How about? I'm just going to mix a quantity in it. You can put it in a cup, maybe a cup or any place additional. Now this is, I just mixed it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to use it on my face to moisturize my face. Do you see how I did it step by step? You don't need to stress yourself going to go for rice powder and all that. Both the rice powder and rice water, they do the same thing. So this is how to use, that you can have this for some time. Okay, on your face before washing it off once. So this is how to use Bluesil Vaseline and egg was as DIY skincare to get a glowing face. Your face will so be glowing, young, beautiful, and beautiful, and young and soft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tap the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I want to say you more. I love you.